What are you doing October 26th through 30th? If you're in the home service industry, you must join us for the Service World Expo 2025 here at the Caesars Forum.
If you just started your business,
or if you've been in business for a while,
we've got the conference for you.
Service World Expo offers training in best practices, inspiring keynotes like me, Darren LaCroix, and your MC, Jeff Savilico, is one of the best entertainers in Vegas. You're gonna love him. And some of the best parties like you've never seen. Why? Because we're in Vegas, baby. And Sunday night, we're gonna have a special VIP event for you right here at the High Roller. Check it out.
You don't want to miss the Expo Hall this year. No matter where you are in your business, you'll find the latest products and services to help you run your business and make more money. See you there.
Marketing, finance, hiring, retention. This conference has it all. You must make it to Caesars Forum in Las Vegas, October 26th through 30th. The Service World Expo 2025. Join us.
Join us.
join us.
Join us.